Hey guys, my name is Demi and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be taking you through how I made this micro twist. Okay, so we're starting off with freshly washed and deep conditioned hair, as you can see. Okay guys, so the first step is to part your hair into four. As you can see, it doesn't have to be perfect. As long as it looks manageable, you're fine. Okay, so this is the attachment we're going to use for the hair. It is the Expression Bouncy Kinky and it is 60 inches long. I got just one pack in the color 1, but honestly, I wish I got the color 1B because my hair is color 1B, but okay guys, so what I'm doing here is I'm taking a piece because I was trying to measure what length I wanted it to be like. I decided on cutting it into 3 pieces. As you can see how I am doing it for the desired length. Okay guys, so I'm just going to be showing you how I braid the hair. I know I don't have front hair. My front hair is gone because I just took out braids. I took out braids like a month ago. I had them in for about 3 months and my front hair is gone. I'm not doing anything about it yet. If you have recommendations on how to revive my front hair, please let me know in the comment section below because I need help, guys. Okay guys, so now I'm just showing you how I do the roots of the hair because I braid it at the roots before twisting the rest down. I'm just showing you how to do it. The reason why I use this method is because it makes it look like knotless braids. This I think this is basically how to do knotless braids. So it has this like a knotless look. I did this around the parting areas and around the perimeter of my hair, so it'll be easier for me to style or to lay them any way I want to lay them. It's kind of tricky though, so I'm going to be showing you this process like 4 times just so you understand what I did. Oh wow, so we're finally down to the last one. I am so excited. You guys have no idea how tired I was and how happy I was that we finally got to the last braid. Okay, so now we're done, and this is how it looks. It looks a little rough, like everything is just everywhere. There are a lot of tangles. So I use the scissors to snipe them off anywhere that I found tangles or anywhere that a braid was longer than the rest. I just trimmed them off. Now I am using my leave-in conditioner and water. I'm spraying it on my hair just so the hair is a little bit more manageable because I want it to be as soft as possible. Okay, so I'm laying emphasis on the ends of the hair because I didn't, the twist was not to the roots. Like I stopped at a particular point and then I used my fingers to curl the rest, like you do normal twist, you know. And now I'm using my deep conditioner on my hair because I want it to be as soft as possible. Because to be honest, the attachment was kind of soft, but not as soft as, you know, your hair would be, like for instance. Okay, so now I'm adding hair butter to my hair. The hair butter I'm using is like a mixture of shea butter and some other oils, I guess, but you can use shea butter or any other butter that you have at home. Okay, so after that, I decided to put my hair in a shower cap. I didn't have a shower cap, so I use a regular nylon. You can use any one that you have, so that the products I apply to my hair will sink into my hair very well, like deeper conditioning of some sort. Okay, guys. So I know my hairline looks weird, but that's besides the point. So this is the final result. I'm just doing my edges to make sure everything's clean and nice. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please do not forget to like the video, subscribe, comment if you have any questions or you have something nice to say to me or about me. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day. Mwah.